How I study for exams as a non-native speaker.
こんにちは、ソラです。
I'm a Japanese student studying business in the US. I've gotten A's in all my 14 classes so far, but I always struggle with my first midterms. So here's how I study. First, I check which chapters we're being tested on. Then I write down the super basic things like key terms and formulas. At this point, I'm just reminding myself what I actually need to cover for this exam to prevent feeling completely lost. Next, I redo all the assignments or practice questions if there are any. I try to limit the time I spend on each chapter, like no more than 1 hour each at first. The goal is to cover everything at least once so that I can at least answer basic questions, and I'll find out which chapter I'm worst at. For example, I was terrible at chapter 3, so for the rest of my study time, I spend about 50% of my energy on that chapter. And lastly, I remind myself that it's just one exam. If I don't get a good grade, I'll add 1 more day of studying next time.
Let me know what other study tips I should share next.
他にも留学関連で知りたいことあれば教えてね。